Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. As you can see, the recent two-session section was not really very significant after the drop that we have expected to get. On Tuesday, this market right now stands very flat, and in general, mostly markets across the board right now waiting for non-farm payrolls release. Well, it seems that non-farm payrolls release should be positive because, as I said in today's Euro video, Euro currency, this ADP report was very positive, so it's approximately 1.5 times greater jobs have been created in the private sector compared to the market expectations. So it means that non-farm payrolls will meet expectations only if it was the firing in the government sector, but it's very difficult to suggest that. And it seems that non-farm payrolls also should be better than expected and significantly better. So that's just logical conclusion. I will not call you to make the bet on the positive surprise in non-farm payrolls. It's just an attempt to make an analysis on the numbers that we already have from the ADP report and what we could get on the non-farm payrolls report. It means that here, as we currently guys do not see any really minor signs of the possible retracement, minor signs of the reversal, no patterns, as you can see on the daily time frame chart. Yes, we have thrust down. That could be the background, could be the starting some object for Napoli directional pattern, but we do not have any other signs. And in general, if you'll take a look at this ABCD pattern, you could see how different the AB leg and the CD leg. CD leg is very fast. And as we have talked about it, when the market stands at 100% extension here, we said usually market continues action to either 127 or even to the 1618. It means that although market currently stands at 127 extension right at the fib support, not probably the reason why market has spent some time here, because this major 618 support, it still could drop, especially on the background of the very good non-farm payrolls release right to the next target. Next target will be 1120, 1618 extension. As we said in our weekly research, and every time when we talk about the gold market recently, we said currently guys, our task is very simple, to wait for reversal patterns, because we know that we have long-term pattern stands on the monthly chart. So already has been completed. This market has reached very important area, and right now our task is turning to lower time frames on the daily chart. And here our task is very simple, to watch for patterns. No patterns, correspondingly this will put under question the pattern that we have on the monthly chart, and that in turn could lead to the reassessment of the perspective of this pattern. If we will get some pattern here, that will either confirm or not confirm the patterns that we have. So here we just need to get to some response from the market on the reaching of the important level. But currently, as you can see, we have nothing. So that's why taking into consideration current market behavior and existing of this 1618 target and the fact that non-farm payrolls should be probably good, it will lead us to conclusion that it will not be the surprise if we will get another drop here. That's really could happen. On what we have on the intraday charts. On the intraday charts, here we have on the 4-hour time frame chart very gradual channel that market stands in. So to speak about the possible upward retracement, we probably first need to get the breakout out of this channel, right? So no other patterns within the current trade. We mostly have traded this bullish, bearish dynamic pressure. So here was first examples market drop. On the current week, we have traded this one, and that was also taking the shape of the butterfly. This already has been completed. So also here we would not see any signs of the retracements. Very gradual action inside of the channel, nothing really important. To speak about the short-term reversal patterns, we probably could watch for head and shoulders here, although it's really not big chance that this will be formed, but still, as we have completed butterfly, the most logical pattern to suggest here, I mean, if we were talking about the reversal, that's probably could become the head and shoulders. So for example, if market will return it back up to the neckline, potential neckline, that will make the possible appearing of the head and shoulders pattern here. That theoretically could become the background for a starting point of something greater, starting point of some retracement up. But as I said, it's really not the fact that we will get something, because mostly in the combination that we have just discussed. That's why, guys, I think that most correct behavior right now in the gold market is the following to our trading plan. That suggests is waiting for a patience. So no patience, no position. That's very simple. And right now, as you can see, we have nothing really valuable here in the gold market. Besides the risks of further drop due to the positive non-farm payrolls release, right now is really significant. So let's just keep watching and see what will happen. Current upward action, guys, I think that's just a preparation for the gold for the non-farm payrolls report. Some probably profit taken based on the recent drop. Traders just preparing for data release and to the end of the week. So on the next week, guys, by the way, it's also will be important since it will be European Central Bank meeting that should bring the clarity on the quantitative easing program. It's also will be a very important session on the Thursday on next week. So that being said, let's see what non-farm payrolls report will bring us and how market will respond on this data.